Forms play a crucial role in your daily tasks. The Samsara Driver App provides a convenient digital alternative to traditional pen and paper forms. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to fill out a custom-made forklift inspection form using the Samsara Driver App. There are two primary ways to access forms in the Driver app. Firstly, you can click on the Forms tile to initiate a form or report an issue. Alternatively, you can fill out forms assigned to you via the Tasks module. Currently, you have a forklift inspection form assigned to you. Simply tap on the forklift inspection form and begin filling out the fields. The mandatory fields are marked with red required text. Begin by selecting a forklift. As you navigate down the form, you'll encounter all the necessary fields you need to complete, such as engine hours and the location. Within the form, you may find instructions or videos for performing a certain task. In this case, there is a video demonstrating how to perform the inspection. Following this, you'll proceed to the visual check. During your inspection, mark items as safe or unsafe. If an item is deemed unsafe, you'll be prompted to record an issue and upload a photo. Select the text box and describe the problem. Attach the necessary photo, and you're done. This will generate an issue for your administrator to review and forward to the maintenance team. Continue to fill out your forklift inspection form, marking items as safe or unsafe and raising issues as required. Finally, add your signature. Once completed, submit the form. You'll see the form submission appear in the list. Your admin receives a notification once you submit and can address any open issues. That's it. You've successfully completed a form using the Driver app.